Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best tools and gear for outdoor enthusiasts. Today we're talking about what I believe is the best bushcraft drill on the market, the SIP-SILF 10-inch survival tool for bushcraft. This rugged hand auger isn't just another camping accessory, it's a survival essential built for anyone who loves working with nature rather than against it. Let's start with what makes this tool special. The SIP-SILF auger combines two classic bushcraft instruments, a Scotch eye auger and a manual hole maker. This clever design lets you drill precise holes into wood using only your hands and a sturdy stick. Whether you're building a shelter, crafting pegs, or making a rustic wooden stove, this tool gives you the power to do it all without electricity or bulky gear. It's built from high-carbon steel, meaning it's not just tough, it's made to survive the harshest environments. The welds are solid, the cutting edge stays sharp, and the straight shank design ensures smooth manual drilling. This thing is made for real outdoor use, not just for show. The uncoated steel finish gives it that raw, dependable look that serious outdoorsmen appreciate. Now, portability matters when you're off-grid, and SIP-SILF clearly thought that through. The auger comes in a compact size and packs neatly into a PU leather case. It's light enough to hang on your belt or slip into your pack, and the protective cover keeps the bit sharp and your gear safe from scratches. The included blower tube even helps clear out wood debris, small detail, big difference when you're working fast in the field. In terms of use, it's incredibly intuitive. Just insert a strong branch into the Scotch eye to create leverage, twist, and let the bit bite into the wood. Within moments, you'll have a clean hole ready for pegs, joints, or whatever your bushcraft project needs. The tool gives you that satisfying feeling of self-reliance. Just you, wood, and steel, no batteries or fuel required. The SIP-SILF auger isn't just for hardcore survivalists, though. Campers, hikers, and DIY woodworkers will love it too. It's perfect for crafting simple furniture, building traps, or assembling outdoor shelters. And because it's made of durable high-carbon steel, you won't have to worry about it bending or dulling easily. It's truly a buy-once-use-forever kind of tool. When you open the package, you get everything you need to start right away. One hand auger wood drill, a protective leather case, a cover, and a blower tube. It's a complete bushcraft drilling kit designed for real-world adventure. So, if you're serious about your survival gear or just want a reliable manual tool that'll never fail when your power tools do, the SIP-SILF 10-inch survival tool is the one to get. It's durable, versatile, and built for the wild. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below telling us what bushcraft tools you rely on in the wild. Until next time, stay prepared and stay curious.